180, Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in it, be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just drop it, whip, tell it, roll and pipe that. 7.6 story.
Alright, so I'm just letting the car warm up real quick, but here's the 360, and let me show y'all the engine bay. Also, I went ahead and I changed the color of the turbo and all of that, so let me know down in the comment section if y'all like the new color, man. I know I got some cleaning up to do, but right now I'm just trying to get this shit running right. Then after I'll think about that. But here's the turbo. Also with the video, if y'all haven't seen the video yet, with the dyno and coil packs with some NGK spark plugs. Turbo spooling. So now I'm just gonna go and do the pull real quick so y'all could see a pull in the big turbo 535, man. Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today, as y'all can see, we got the 360 out. Let me put this in there real quick. But for today, we're gonna do some data log. So finally, y'all could see like some minor pulls. I'm gonna do like a pull from 4K to 7K, so that's 4K to red line. And here's the 535, man. But first and foremost, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, man. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set up the 360 cam on the back so y'all could get some footage from the 360 cam. And also I'm waiting on some wheels to come in. That's why I still got the stock ones on the back. So let me just hook this up real quick, and then I'm gonna pick up at the camera and show y'all. Alright guys, so I got everything set up right now, so I'm gonna switch to the outside POV. So let me know down in the comment section if y'all like the view outside, man. So let's get it. And I also got the gauges set up right here. So let's go do the log and then see what is what, and then send the log over to the tuner. there y'all go. Y'all got some POV when I'm pressing the car, cause I know some of y'all in the comment section been waiting for this video, man. But bear in mind, right now I'm tuning right now. That was just like a data log, so I could send it over to the tuner. But if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and peace. I'll catch y'all in the next one.